My only desire is that India should be a God producer, and no one should be hungry, shedding tears for food in the country. The negligence of a few could easily send the ship to the bottom, but if it has the wholehearted cooperation of all on board, it can be safely brought to port. It is the prime responsibility of every citizen to feel that his country is free, and to defend its freedom is his duty. Every Indian should now forget that he is a Rajput, a Sikh or a Jat. He must remember that he is an Indian and he has every right in his country, but with certain duties. There is something unique in this soil, which despite many obstacles, has always remained the abode of great souls. Manpower without unity is not a strength unless it is harmonized and united properly, then it becomes a spiritual power. Faith is of no evil, in absence of strength. Faith and strength, both are essential to accomplish any great work. A war based on satyagraha is always of two kinds. One is the war we wage against injustice, and the other, we fight our own weaknesses. Take to the path of Dharma, the path of truth and justice. Don't misuse your valor. Remain united. March forward in all humility, but fully awake to the situation you face, demanding your rights and firmness. By common endeavor, we can raise the country to a new greatness, while a lack of unity will expose us to fresh calamities. Every citizen of India must remember that he is an Indian, and he has every right in this country, but with certain duties. Nonviolence has to be observed in thought, word and deed. The measure of our nonviolence will be the measure of our success.